Okay guys, so this is going to explain to you how to set up your paper for MLA format using Microsoft Word. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and go to the top. Remember, at the top you need to start with your name, my name, the class name, which is American Literature, and the date. Now, all of these need to be in Times New Roman, so I'm going to highlight them and go up here. I'm just going to type in Times. It pops right up. Hit Enter. It needs to be 12-point font, so I'm going to change that. And it needs to be double spaced. So I'm going to go up here to the top. If you see where this says paragraph and has these little arrows, click on that and click 2.0. That will make sure that everything in your paper from now on will be double spaced. I'm going to hit Enter, and then I'm going to do this little center thing up here at the top under paragraph, and I'm going to type title because that's where my essay should begin, and then I'm going to hit indent and I'm going to write begin typing paper here. Now, all of that is good. This is all in Times New Roman. It's all 12-point font. The only thing that you need to do now is to add the header at the top that has your last name and the page number. This is a little bit trickier. So if you go to the top where it says Insert, we're going to click on Insert, and we're going to go all the way over here to the right. Do not hit header. You have to hit Insert page number, and then if you do top of the page, and you don't do the first one, second one, you do the third one because that one's all the way to the right where it's supposed to go for MLA. Click on that. You already have an arrow here in front of your number, so you're just going to type your last name there and space. Now, one thing not to forget is that this is in the wrong font and size again, so you have to type it again, Times New Roman. We're going to make that 12, and now every page after, we're going to hit close header and footer. We'll have your last name and a different page number for every page you have. And there you have it.